Hey my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I got ready for my Delhi event. A few days back I went to Delhi and I posted the stories and posts for the event when I got ready, and so many of you DM'd me that you want to know how to get ready when I'm traveling. So I thought it's an excellent topic to cover. So today you'll watch me how I got ready for my Delhi event. वैसे तो जब कैलकाटा छोड़ के बाहर जाना पड़ता है, I feel a little anxious. चाहे कुछ भी हो, even if I know the influencers out there, I'll still feel a little anxious while traveling. And when I reach there, until the time I meet the influencers, it's like butterflies in my stomach. मैं हूँ थोड़ी सी introvert इसलिए. Also guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because a lot of you guys are watching my content, you're loving my content, but you're not subscribing. Why? I do want to reach 150k very soon, so please help me reach that goal and subscribe to my channel guys. Let's grow as a family. All that said, let's get started. The first thing I did was a gua sha massage. So I just take any oil, any beauty oil. You can take any serum, any beauty oil, any moisturizer of your preference. Okay, so since my skin is prepped now, what I do is I take my gua sha. I bought this from Ras. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's RAS. This is how it looks. It just relaxes me a little. I need this before any kind of event or anything, just to relax. Pull it upwards. I also do it on my eyebrows. Most of the tension is right here. I don't know why I'm giving you a tutorial on this. If you want a different YouTube video, I can just make it for you. Just comment down below. So I just, oh my god, this feels good. It instantly just releases any kind of tension that you have. Ooh, it's so nice. Now feeling refreshed, let's get started with the makeup. So the first thing that I take is this Sugar Orange Color Corrector. I always color correct my under eye area because I've got dark circles. You can take any orange color corrector that you have, because I don't think they make these anymore. And just a little bit on my forehead, just the slightest. Today I'll be using a couple of new brushes. These are from Tan. These are like really soft. The foundation I had was this Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. This is in the shade Tawny, and I just take the slightest, the littlest amount, and if I need more I'll add more. So this is all I take. And the problem with these is that it always gets so dirty. As soon as I apply it, I always try to clean the neck of the product. And then I'm going to take this Tan number 2 brush and apply it on my face. And then just blend it really nicely. I think I should clip my hair. I'm just going to blend it really nicely. Oh my god, this is such a soft brush. It's like feather on your face. Like, I haven't used such soft brush in a very long time. So the next time I would go for a heavier brush. I don't think this is the right brush for the foundation guys. I would use number 1 the next time for my foundation, but this is, oh my god, I can't believe how soft their brushes are. The best thing about these brushes are that you can multi-use them. Okay, foundation's all set. So the next thing is my concealer. I used the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Warm Golden. This is something that I apply heavily under my eyes, especially before an event. Like, this much is, I think, enough for me. And then taking the Tan number 3 brush, I'm going to dab it in my under eye area. This brush is so soft. I mean, the skin, especially in your under eye area, is very delicate and very soft. So this brush will take care of it. You don't even have to apply any pressure to blend the product. I just add a little bit of more concealer, and I'm literally showing you how beautifully it blends. Just look at this. And it's all done. Next, for my loose powder, I use the K Beauty. It's the K Beauty loose powder. I'll take the same brush and dunk it in the product and apply it under my eyes. I won't apply it all over my face because I don't want my face to get dry. Anyway, when I apply the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, it just dries up my skin a little bit. So I just have to make sure that I moisturize my face well before applying that foundation. I'm going to leave it like that for maybe 30 seconds. While I leave it like that, I will do my eyebrows. So taking my favorite Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade Felix Onyx, I'll just quickly do my eyebrows. I have so much of practice in doing my eyebrows now. It doesn't even take 30 seconds for me to do my eyebrows. And I don't like my eyebrows to be like fully done up like the Instagram eyebrows. I'm not a fan of that, so I just try to leave it natural, just like that. Then I take my Benefit Brow. Oh my god, how can I forget the name of a product every single time? I've used it a lot, and that's the reason why the name is no more there. It's Benefit Mini Brow. Anyway, I'll link the product in the description box below, so check it out there. Apply it in upward and outward strokes. And that's literally the time that I take to do my eyebrows. Just remove the powder now. Okay, my eyes look very fresh and awake. Now I'll go ahead with my eyes. So the first product I take is the Kiro Long Wear Brightening Eyeshadow Stick. This is in the shade Peachy Gold. You don't even need to blend this, I'm telling you. You just apply it and it's done. And the shade is like gorgeous. If I'm traveling, I don't carry an eyeshadow palette. I just carry this. Last year also I had another event and I carried this, and this year also I carried this because I know I can trust this, and I know for sure this will do wonders when it's on my lids. And all the more since it was a pool party. It was actually raining that day, and I knew that it would rain, so that's the reason why I took this, because this one is waterproof. It does not come off. It just glides on so easily, and it's so pigmented. Just one swipe is all that you need. This looks so gorgeous. It looks beautiful. It just makes you look glam in no time at all. It's already on my hands, and you'll see that it does not budge at all. Once applied, it's just gonna stay. The next thing I did was line my upper lash line with Kajal. The Kajal I used was Kiro All Day Comfort Kajal Liner. This is in the shade Carbon Black, and it is so creamy. It glides on smoothly. It's matte and creamy, and it's got an intense black color. It just glides on so smoothly. It's weightless. And it's also infused with jojoba oil, and it's 100% vegan. It's smudge proof and transfer proof. This is so important, especially when you're attending an event, especially an outdoor event, especially when you know that you're going to sweat. You need proper eye makeup on, which does not come off. This is all I did for my eyes, like the base, apart from the mascara and the eyelashes. It just is so easy to do and looks gorgeous. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. Now the mascara I used is the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. This is my all-time favorite. I love how it just lifts up my lashes. Or also, guys, I've noticed that you guys don't comment as much as you used to. What happened? We don't talk anymore like we used to. What happened? Why don't we talk anymore, huh? Guys, comment down below anything, like anything you want to talk about, anything you want to discuss. I'm always there for you guys. Also apply it on my lower lash line. I love replying to your comments and interacting with you guys. You can just write down anything about yourself, any funny incident, anything that you want to say. So I applied the Real False Lashes from Benefit. This is the Prima Donna Lash, and I'll be back after applying these. The last thing I did for my eyes was apply a brown kajal on my lower lash line. I took the Faces Canada Magneteyes Kajal. This is in the shade Brown Comfort, and I just applied it on my lower lash line, just like that. And then taking the tan number 5 brush, I'm just going to smudge it a little bit because I don't want any harsh lines on my lower lash line. I went for this Auric Contour Defining Kit. It has a contour, blush, and a highlighter. So I'm gonna pick up this shade. This is very, very pigmented. Contour my face really nicely. Always apply makeup very, very light-handed. Don't just go like this on your skin because it's your skin after all. Just be very, very gentle while applying makeup. I'm just gonna apply it on my jawline. I'm going to use the same brush for the blush. It's a very, very beautiful color. And then apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Now for the highlighter, I'm going to take the tan number 3 brush and use this highlighter shade. Highlight the high points of my face, my nose, the cupid's bow and chin, also my brow bone area and the inner corners of my eyes. Now for my lips, I just mixed 2 lip shades. That's what I do. I love mixing my lip shades. The first one I applied was from Kiro. This is in the shade Nude Lilly. This is a gorgeous color. I'm going to apply all over my lips. Now that it's all dry, I'm going to take the Belora Paris lipstick. This is in the shade Nudie Fun. This is also such a gorgeous, gorgeous lip shade. Just going to apply it on top of this lip shade. Okay, so the last thing, which is a very, very important step, is to set my makeup. So I'm going to use the SERY Set It All makeup setting spray. It was an outdoor event and it was so humid, I instantly knew that it's going to make me sweat. This is what I applied on my face and I did not sweat even for once. I'll also show you what kind of accessories I was wearing that day. I was wearing this gorgeous top from H&M. I've put up a reel on my Instagram. If you haven't yet watched it, then go watch it. I wore these tiny, cute earrings from Daniel Wellington. I did not want to wear anything heavy. I wore my fossil watch. And I wore this Daniel Wellington bracelet. It just is so pretty. So I wore this beautiful neck piece from H&M and I had this green shirt on from H&M. So it's just such a fresh color. I instantly fell in love with this shirt as soon as I saw it. So I just folded my sleeves just like that. And yeah, this was my look. I love how fresh this cream looked. It's been crumpled, so I just opened it. But you got the vibe, right? Okay guys, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you loved watching it, guys, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I have seen so many of you guys are still not subscribed to my channel but are watching my content. You guys love my content, then why not subscribe? I'll mention all the links in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.